Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2012 F-150 XLT in ingot silver with grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has got a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has a trailer hitch and a lined box. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control. And when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as your odometer reading. Your automatic shifter has tow haul, and when we press that, it'll appear above and then go off again. In the center, you've got a little place to put things. As well, you've got your display for your AM, FM, as well as Sirius satellite radio, and you've got the temperature there and the time as well. You have traction control and hazard lights, and there's your CD player that you can load in there, and then you have your menu and tuner and so forth. And there's your auxiliary, and down below you have AC and max AC, as well as front defrost. Your fan, there's your 12 volt, and there's your auxiliary outlet. 4x4, and you also have a little bit of a cubby. And then in the armrest, a couple of cup holders. You can open up for more storage. Then flip this up, you've got another seating position. Down below you unclip, more storage down below, and then you can slide this out and you've got some more cup holders. Off to the side is another little bin, 12 volt. You've got a glove compartment on the right there, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, and not one but 2 sunglass holders. There's also a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, black door handles, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler, and this vehicle is a flex fuel. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have a trailer hitch and a locking spare tire. When you open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's lined and has tie downs in all 4 corners. And when you're ready to close everything up, just put up your tailgate, lock it up, and walk away. Or you can jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Carpeted mats on the floor and some pockets on the back of the front seat. There's a little bin in the center there with a 12 volt. Grab handles in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a big window. Chrome bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.